Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. This will be a 10-minute yoga stretch. For those times you have sore muscles, you've been running, you've been working out, you've been lifting a lot of weight, you like to just take a break and not feel bad. Or you don't have enough time to do a 60-minute yoga practice. So this is for you. If you like this content, please like or share and subscribe. Now, if you want a longer class, I have a 60-minute playlist, as well as a 90-minute playlist, and as well as recommended classes you can do 5-day yoga practice or a 3-day yoga practice. But without further ado, let's come onto the mat. Meet me in seated pose. Bring the right leg in front. Sit nice and tall. Take a big breath in. Connect with your breath. And allow your eyes to close and take a moment to set an intention for your practice. Close your eyes. Allow your chin to level with the earth. Now, when you breathe in and out, just remind yourself that you can always pause me at any particular point in time. Take a big breath in. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. As you reach up, lengthen, look through the right side, and then twist. Bring the left hand on the right knee, right hand behind you. Pull the belly in. Sit nice and tall. And relax the shoulder. Just feel the twist, allowing your shoulders to melt away from the ears. Inhale, come back to center. Hands reach high. Lengthen. Then exhale over to the left side. Right hand, left knee, left hand behind you. Draw shoulder away from the ears. Return back to center, hands reach up. Then exhale, bring the hands down. Now, if you have the right leg in front, just like I did, just switch the cross of your leg. Left leg in front, right leg in the back. This time, hands reach up. Interlace or clasp opposite elbow rather. Allow yourself to draw the shoulder away from the ear. So we're going to inhale, look up. Almost like a seated cat and cow, rounding here. Inhale, lift on up. Feel your shoulders melt away. Exhale, round in here. Inhale, lift on up. Exhale, round in. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Now, reach the hands out. Release the hand alongside the body. Lengthen, pull the shoulder away from the ears. Release the right ears towards the right shoulder. Finding that length, pull the belly in. Finding that shoulder. Exhale, bring the right hand to the left ears and gently pull and allow your left shoulder and your left hand to continue to relax. Just being observant with your neck. We also hold stress there. Release the right hand. Return the head to neutral. Bring the left ears to the left shoulder. Just pause here for a moment. Then exhale. Inhale, bring the left hand to the right ears and allow yourself to gently stretch. Relax the neck and the eyes. Come back to center. Lengthen. And draw the chin towards the chest. Bring both hands behind the head and gently pull the head down. Inhale, lift on up. Let the head go back with the support of your hand. Open the wings. And return the gaze forward. Take a moment to bring the hands in front of the heart. Honoring yourself, and allow yourself to set an intention Maybe it's just honoring your body. Maybe it's being present and allowing yourself to go with it. When you have it, come into hands and knees. So bring the knee underneath the hip. Drop in the belly, open the heart. As you exhale, push and round. Inhale, lift the chest, cat and cow. As you exhale, round. Inhale, lift the chest, open. Exhale, round. Find yourself in neutral spine. Tuck the toes under. Press into your plank and allow yourself to engage the core. The core also needs stretch. Finding the thumb and index finger. Finding the length. Maybe rocking forward and back, but engaging the core. Exhale, press back into your downward facing dog. Finding that length. Again, this is a great stretch that you can incorporate after a long day or waking up. I try to do downward dog every single day. Even when I wake up, I become like a dog. I just stretch. Finding your length here, finding your breath. Your next in-breath, float the left leg to the sky. Lengthen the spine, maybe point toes. Then exhale, bring that left leg outside of the left hand. Drop your right knee on the mat. Look forward to lengthen the spine. Hold the belly in. Allow your shoulders to relax. Maybe you are feeling quite intense in this pose, since it's our first pose of waking up. You can bring your forearm on a stack of books or block and allow yourself to extend that right leg. Breathe in and out. Remember, it's not a marathon. It's not a race. We're just finding ourselves on the mat and going with it, spending time with ourselves. When you have it, bring the hands down on the mat. Bring the right leg outside of the right hand and come into your Malasana. Bringing the hands in front of the heart. And allow your legs maybe to point outwards and breathe in, lift the chest, trying to lower your hip on the mat. Lengthen. Exhale, bring the hands down on the mat. Inhale, lift the hip. Maybe keep the legs about hip distance apart. Now I want you to look forward to lengthen the spine. Legs are straight. Exhale, forward fold. Now, push into your legs. Bring the hands behind you. Interlace the hand. The knee can be bent here. It's very forgiving. And as you exhale, draw the knuckles down. Let the head release. And moment by moment, you can straighten the legs. Don't force it. Just noticing your body. This is a great morning practice. Maybe you wake up a little bit earlier than your normal day and stretch before you go to work. And just check in. You can also do this in the evening. Again, you're checking in with yourself. When you have it, release those hands on the mat and step the left leg back, way back. And then find yourself, lengthen the spine, and then lower the left knee on the mat. Look forward to lengthen, open the chest. And as you have it, maybe you bring the forearm on the stack of books if you have, or on the block. Continue to find your breath. Then exhale, release the hands on the mat. This time we tuck the left leg under, lift the left knee, and take the right leg to the sky. Three-legged dog. Extending. Exhale, release the right leg on the mat. Inhale forward into your plank. Noticing your breath. Exhale, lower elbow or elbow 90 degrees, or you can lower your knee if it's too challenging. Release all the way to the mat. And then take a big breath in. Come into the fingertip and draw and lift on up into your cobra. Notice my elbow draws down. Lift the chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, roll it up. Open the heart. Exhale, release. Inhale, roll it up. Exhale, release. Great job, everyone. Tuck the toes under and come back into plank. Exhale, press back into your downward dog. Finding that length, finding that breath. From your downward dog, bring your forearm on the mat and allow yourself to release. Shoulder away from the ears. If you've been doing a lot of shoulder press, this is a great one. You can start to walk your legs inward and notice your shoulder again. And breathe into the back leg, the hamstring, and the belly. When you have it, from here, you're going to slowly press up into your plank and lower to your knees. Release the top of the legs on the mat. And then inhale, take the right hand all the way up. Exhale the right hand underneath the left one. Thread the needle. Release the head on the mat, left hand to the right one. Stretch both hands straight. Then inhale, take the left hand up. You can stay up, or you can bring the left hand inside the right thigh and draw your belly in. Just allow your shoulder to relax. It's a very intense pose. Release the left hand, reach the left hand forward. And then bring the left hand underneath the left shoulder. Float the right hand up. Exhale the right hand down. Inhale, thread the left hand all the way up and underneath your right one. Bring the right hand to the left hand, both hands are straight. Inhale, take the right hand up, maybe you stay here. Or exhale, bring that left hand and hang out here, pull the belly in. Exhale, release the right hand. Inhale, come back into tabletop. Look forward to lengthen. Exhale, press the big toe together. Open the knee wide and come into a child pose. Lengthen the spine. Reach the hands forward and release the head. Walk the hands to the right side. Then find your breath and walk the hands to the left side. And slowly bring your way up to seated. Bring your hands in front of the heart. And allow yourself to go within. Thank your body for taking a moment to stretch. And allowing yourself to release. And have a good day. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. That way you notice when I post a new video. My name is Beth. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. Namaste.